Alright, what's up guys? We're coming at you guys once again from another construction site. We're gonna do a little bashing. This one is a little different, you know. This one is a little townhouse. It's like a little community. So they just doing townhouses around. There's a bunch more around that corner going down that street. But behind this building, they're gonna put another addition behind this building. It's just an empty lot. So we're gonna go back there and we're gonna rip in that empty lot, and we're gonna do that. We got the Typhon. We got the Typhon Mega running on a 4S. We got the Typhon 6S. We're gonna run. We got the 4-wheeler out, but I ain't gonna take the 4-wheeler. I only got 2 hands, so I'm gonna just drag these 2 in the back, and we're gonna do a little bash with these 2 in the back. So let me get everything going. I'm gonna get them plugged up, running, and we're gonna head to the back, man. We're gonna head back there. I'm gonna show y'all the field that I got back there.
Go, let's kick it. Go, show it blind, fix it. Talking about that RC life. Go, and kick it. Welcome to Lose, fix it. Go.
So this is our field right here. This is our playground right here today. Make sure I got a good view. I want it to be down. There we go. This is our playground right here. I think I'm gonna start off easy. I'm gonna start off with the Mega. See what the Mega got for me. All right. Whoa. Whoa. I know it's some hills over there. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Wow. Can't even see them. Whoa. I don't know what that was. She hit it though. It is dirty over here, boy. She's pushing. You gotta let the smoke dry down. Ooh, I can imagine what the 6S gonna do out here, boy. She is ripping. Whoa, she hit the tree. I forgot about that tree that's over there. Oh my God, that's gonna be a what? Woo, she going in the trunk. I got a mat back there. Woo! Yo, that baby is dirty. Hold on, let's go to the 6S. Let's switch out to the 6S. Woo! I'm not standing behind that. Hell no. Look at the 6S. She ain't playing. What? Wow. Hold up. Let the dust settle in. Let it settle down. Oh my God, this thing got me running. Let's see what she got on this hill over here. Let's see what's in the back of the hill before I jump her. I don't want to come down on her in a hole or never know what to expect on these construction sites, what's behind her around. Ooh, she got a jump. She She must have just missed that joint. What? That baby ain't no joke. You're talking power. I guess this guy came out here like, who the hell is in our watch? Whoa! Flip up! Damn it! Yo! Whoa! Glad I got on my boots. Whew. Yo, these bad boys are dirty, boy. Holy moly. She don't want to stop. She like, nah, give me one more. Woo-wee. So we gonna call this one like that. That's the bash in the, oh my God, look at how dirty these things came out looking new. Holy moly, hold on. I got to show you this. Got to show you this. Oh my God, let's the light hit it. Ooh-wee. Them is mud balls right there. Y'all, that's another episode of bashing on a construction site. And we gonna kick out of here like that. Like I always say to everybody out there, that coming back to my channel, that subscribed, that's down with the Louis Fix It crew. Thank you so much. Come back again. Come back one more time, and one more time. Everybody out there that's just seeing this channel for the first time, hit that subscribe, turn on your notification, get down with the Louis Fix It crew so you can be the first one to see these videos, first one to like these videos, first one to share these videos, and the first one to comment, because I always say, talk to me, I talk back. So until the next run,